So today's topic will be measurement. And now let us quickly start. So first of all, let us see what is measurement. Can anybody tell? Okay, hi Dhakshash.
Measuring things.
Yes, measurement means measuring things. Very good. So basically, measurement is a system which is used to measure what? Height, then weight, then length and capacity, right? Okay.
City.
Yes.
Capacity.
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 Capacity, yes. Capacity also, yes. Okay.
Okay.
So now, basically, with the use of measurement, what we can do is we can either find the height of something, we can either find the weight of something, or we can either find the, let's say, length of something. Okay. So, for example, see, I have a pen here, right? Now I want to measure that how long is this pen. So what will I do? I will use a scale, okay, and I will measure the length of the pen with the help of
स्केल
this.
पे
Right?
रखो इसको और
Sorry.
जीरो से शुरू करो स्केल को रख के
Okay. Okay, Saransh. So yeah. Okay. I was saying that if I have to measure something, right? So what is this that process known as measurement, right? Okay. So now, can you please tell me what are the things we can measure?
पेंसिल
Yes.
humans height width
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Shrutadi, what were you saying?
height weight
Height.
length
Yes. Very good.
capacity
Yes. Okay. Then, yes, Jaspita.
humans humans
Okay.
ma'am.
Karnadeep, are you also saying something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Harsh, Dakshashri, do you have any answers?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
pressure things.
Sorry, what things?
Ma'am, Saransh can.
Okay, yeah, so all the answers are acceptable. Okay, so now my explanation to you guys is that whenever somebody asks you what are the things that we can measure, so what you have to tell them is we can only measure those things which we can see or touch. Okay, so for example, we can measure time. Now, why can I measure that? Because I am somebody who can see time, right? Since I have got eyes, so I can see the time. Therefore, I can measure it, right? Similarly, if I have to measure weight, so what is basically weight about? What is it about? Weight is about like how much somebody carries, right? So if I stand on the weighing scale, right? So I will be able to see that, right? Or if I buy some apples, right, from the market, so I will be able to carry it, right? So I will be able to see it again. I will be able to touch it. So that is how I know it is weight, right? So all those things that we can see and touch can be measured. Now, if I ask, can you guys please tell me, okay, I am very happy today. Let's say I am very happy today. Now, can you measure my happiness?
No. No.
No. Why?
No.
Because
No,
we
ma'am.
cannot see happiness, right? Yes?
See or touch.
Okay. So now, next is that when we talk about when we talk about measurement, so first thing that comes to our mind is height and length, right? Okay. So now, guys, can you help me understand what is height and what is length? Anybody?
Height is measurement
Hmm.
of a house. Height is
Okay.
length is and how
Yes.
person tall.
Okay. Now see. Okay, good. I'll give you an example.
Tall.
Suppose, do you guys like chocolates?
No.
Everybody likes chocolates?
No.
No. Why?
No.
Okay, what do you like then? Do you like biscuits?
Yes. The
Okay.
food.
Okay, so let us assume that your parents have bought a box of biscuits and eating too many biscuits or too many chocolates is very harmful, right? But
Yes.
since you like that too much, you keep on eating biscuits like in each 5 minutes. So what your mother did is she took up the box and she took it to the kitchen and she placed it on a shelf that is very high. Okay, now you guys are very tiny, aren't you? Right? You guys are very
Yes.
little, very small. So what you will be doing is you will go to the kitchen and then you'll feel, oh, why has she kept it there? This is so tall, right? How will I reach there? So what is that aspect called? That is known as height, right? Okay. So basically, height is when you can measure something from the top to bottom. That is known as height. Okay. If I take example of myself, if I have to measure my own height, what will I do? I will measure from my feet to my head, and whatever the like whatever the distance is, that will be known as my height, right?
A
Are you guys getting me?
cement stick.
Okay. Now next is length. Now what is length and how does it differ from height? Length is basically distance between two
Length
points.
is meter.
Yes, Swarndeep, what?
Length is meter. It
Yes.
is something which is very long.
Yes. Okay. So basically, okay, meter, kilometers, and others are the units. But my question to
Ma'am,
you is, what is length, right? Yeah, Khidmat,
ma'am,
see? Hmm.
length is, for example, a road.
Okay, basically, in simple words, when I have to measure the distance between 2 points, let's say these are 2 points, this is point A and this is point B. Okay, so if I have to measure the distance from here to here, this will be known as length. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. Now, let's say I have this pen, right? So I have to measure the distance of this, like from this point to this point. So if I do that, what will it be known as? It will be known as length, right? Okay. Now, okay. Now we have two examples. So if I have to measure how tall or how short a person is, what will I call it? Will I call it height or will I call it length?
What? Height. Length.
Height. Yes, Dakshashri. Yes, Shrutadi. Do
Height.
you want to answer?
Height.
Height. Yes, it will be height. Now, if I have to measure like what is the size of my shoes, then what will I do? Will I
Length.
measure length or height? Yes.
Length.
Yes, Harsh?
Length. Yes.
Length. Yes, very good. Okay, very good, everyone. Now, yes, Khidmat, say
Ma'am, the previous question which you said
hmm.
was the answer was length.
Length. Yes, very good. The answer was length. Okay. So now next is that okay. So now let us study about what is unit. Okay. So see, wait. I have a notebook here, right? Can you
Yes.
all see it? Okay.
Yes.
Now, if I have to measure this notebook, what are the ways that I can measure this in? I can either use a scale, right?
Yes.
Or what I can do is I can count it like this, right? With my like arm span, right? Like this. So if I count it like this, what will be the measurement? The measurement will be 1.5 for me, right? With this notebook. Okay. So this is what is this known as? This is known as a unit. Why? Because this is a unit how I will be telling you the measurement, right? If you ask me a question, ma'am, how long is the book? So what will I say? It is half of my arm span, right? So this is known as unit. Or if I use a scale, so what will I tell? It is around 20 to 25 centimeters, right? So that word centimeter is a unit. Now we have two types of units here with us. First one is non-standard units and the second one is standard units. Okay. Now see, what are non-standard units? Have you guys ever used hand span, arm span, cubit and all? Have you heard about it?
No. Yes, ma'am. No.
Anybody?
No. No. Ma'am, I know.
Okay, everyone, it's okay if not,
Ma'am,
like if
I
anybody
know.
of you already knows, that's very good. But for those who don't know, I'll explain. Wait, see, handspan means, like how I was counting the measurement of the book, like this, right? With my this small finger and this thumb, right? So this is known as handspan. Similarly, next is cubit. Cubit means this length from my finger to my elbow. Okay. Next is arm span. Okay. Similarly, we have pace and foot span also. So now I have a quick exercise for all of you, and it is do you guys have a table in the room? Everybody.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now what you guys have to do is you have to quickly go and use your hand span to count the measurement of the table. Okay, first of all, you have to count it on your own, and second, then you have to ask your parents to do that. Okay, and you have just 2 minutes of time and come back quickly. Go do that and come back quickly. Everyone.
बोलो
10. 8.
Yes. Okay. Who was saying it?
8 hands, ma'am.
10 handspan.
For khidmat. Okay, it is 8. Now for Shrutidi, yes. For you?
10.
For 10. Okay. And for your father?
10.
8.
8.
For him it was 8. Okay. Any other answers? Anybody else?
Ma'am, for my father, 3. For me, 6.
6.
Oh, okay. Now see.
Ma'am,
Okay.
for
Yes.
my mother, it's 6.
Hmm. Okay, for your mother it's 6. So now you guys can clearly see that the table was same, right? Was not it? The table was same, but the difference was that,
Hands.
yeah, since you guys have small hands, right? Very small hands. So for you, it was more in number, but comparatively for your parents, it was less in number, right? Why? Because they have larger hands, right? So these units are known as non-standard units because they differ for each and every one. Okay, now suppose I have to purchase a bed, okay, for my room, and I have asked my brother, okay, do you guys have siblings? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, how many of
don't
you have
have.
siblings? Show me your hands. Okay. No, Jayasmita, you don't have any sibling? Okay, no worries. Okay, so I have to purchase a bed for my sibling, and I asked him to measure it. So what he did was he used cubit for measuring, and he told me that, sister, go and purchase, go and buy a bed which is equal to 4 cubits of me. Okay, now if I go to the shop and I tell the shopkeeper to give me 4 cubit, a bed that is equal to 4 cubits of my brother, will that work? No, right? Because each and every cubit, like my brother's cubit is different, the length for my brother's cubit is different, and the length for the shopkeeper's cubit is different, right? So we need some unit that will be equal for both of them, right? So in that case, we have standard units. Okay. So what are standard units basically? Standard units are those units which are
Can you
universally the same. Okay. Uh, Shrutadi, where do you live?
In Kolkata,
Okay. Then Jayasmita, where do you live?
I live in
Hmm.
Mankur.
Okay. Then Harsh, where do you live? Harsh, are you there? Okay, I guess he's not there. Okay, so Khidmat, where do you live?
Ma'am, I live in Amritsar.
Okay, so you live in Amritsar, right? So all of you belong to different cities.
Ma'am,
Is it
Delhi.
okay, you stay in Delhi. Okay, Saransh. Now, my point is that you all have scales, right? Measuring scales. Okay, now are the scales different in Kolkata and are they different for the people in Delhi? Is it like that? No,
Yes. Oh.
no, the scales everywhere are same, right? Yeah, therefore these are known as standard units. Okay. Now here we have a picture. So have you guys seen all of these instruments before? These five
Yes.
instruments?
Yes.
Yes. Thermometer is used
Yes.
for temperature. Then measuring tape is used for measuring normal things like as I told. Similarly, we have ruler. Then we have a weighing machine. Okay. This is for human beings and this is for other materials, right? This is also a weighing machine, but for other materials. Usually it is used by the shopkeepers, right? Okay. Now, okay, so basically, since we are talking about length, so we know about four different types of standard units. Okay, so what are these? These are kilometers, millimeters, centimeters, and meters. Okay, now can anybody tell me the difference between all of these?
The difference between all of this is they are small
Okay,
and
yes, Smita. See, wait. I see many of them have raised their hands. So let's do one thing. Let us let everyone tell about each unit. So you tell me about kilometers. What is kilometers and why do we use it?
kilometers are
Hmm.
big and it we can measure big distance.
Yes, very big distance. For example, when we have to measure the distance between two different cities, so what we'll use kilometers. Now, next is Khidmat. You raised your hand, right? Okay, yeah. Tell me about meters, can you?
Ma'am, meters are
Hmm.
small. We can measure small
Okay.
things
Small things. Okay. Small things as in?
like
Okay.
pen.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Tell me, if you have to measure the distance from your house to your neighbor's house, then how will you count it?
Kilometer.
No, in meters. Why? Because that person is your neighbor, right? He lives near to you. So we will measure it with the help of meters, right? Similarly, now if I have to measure the length of a scale, what will I use? Or let's say I let me see what I have got here. I have got a sharpener. Okay. Is it visible? Yeah. So if I have to measure the length of this, what will I use? Can I use meter?
Yes. No.
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 Then can I use
Centimeter.
kilometer? No,
Mi-
right?
Centimeter. Centimeter.
Centimeter. Very good. Yes. So this is why we have different units for different measurements. Okay. Now, see, we have an example here. This is a pencil and I have to measure its unit. Can you help me do that?
5.
Five.
5.
Yes, everyone who agrees with Saransh, tell me. Do you all agree with him?
Yes.
Yes. This is
Centimeter.
5 centimeter. Very good. Now, for the second picture, what is the length? Can you tell?
5 centimeter. 4.5.
Wait,
So 2 centimeter.
okay. Everyone.
7 minus 2, 5 centimeter.
Yes, very good, Shrutadi. See, guys, what happened is I'll tell you the story. It is a story time now. So actually, I and my brother were fighting. So what he did was he broke my scale. Okay, so what happens usually the scales start from zero, right? But he broke my scale. So now he broke my scale from the beginning. So my scale now starts from two. Okay, my scale starts from here. So what will I do now? I still have to measure the pencil, right? So what I will do is I will place the pencil at 2 and then I'll see till where it goes. So it goes till 7, right? So this is the starting and this is the ending, right? So how will I measure the distance now? I will subtract the starting number from the ending number. That is, I will subtract this 2 from 7. So the final answer will be 5 centimeter. Got it? Everyone, show me your thumbs. Got it, right? Okay. Now, now it is time to check that how, like, till now, like so far, what all you have understood. So tell me, out of these 5 pictures, what all things can you measure?
We can measure an apple.
Wait, measure in length.
Measure
Length.
an eraser and pencil.
Eraser and
pencil.
yes, very good. We can only measure eraser and pencil in terms of what? Centimeters, right? Yes,
Ma'am,
Khidmat?
eraser and pencil in centimeters.
Yes, very good. Because centimeter is a part of length. Okay. Now, can you see these 4 pictures here?
Yes.
Okay. So basically, these 4 items are something whenever we go to purchase them, we always have to tell the length, right? Okay, suppose I have 2 pillars in my house, and what I have to do is I have to tie a rope there so that I can hang my clothes there. So, whenever I go to purchase a rope, what will I tell the shopkeeper? I have to tell the exact length, right? Why? Because there can be 2 cases. First case is if I don't tell the length, okay, the rope can be of a smaller length, so it will be of no use to me, right? If I have tied it on one of the pillars and if it does not reach the second pillar, will it make any sense?
No.
Will it be useful to me? No, right? Similarly, if I get a rope that is larger than my expectations, okay, longer than my expectations, again, will it be of any use to me, the remaining part? It will be useless, right? So therefore, these are the 4 items that whenever we go to purchase, we purchase them by telling the length. Okay? Any doubts still here, everyone?
No.
Okay. Now, uh, okay. Now, since we have already discussed what is kilometer and meter, let us do a quick revision. So basically, kilometer is used whenever we have to measure the units between like the distance between 2 cities, or let us say the distance between 2 planets, or the distance between 2 states, or maybe okay, tell me, how many of you go to the schools with the buses or like school cars and other vehicles?
बोलता है
Ma'am. Ma'am, bus. Go to the bus. Ma'am, bus. Ma'am, bus and car. The bus.
Okay, now
Bus and motorcycle.
yeah, why do you guys use such vehicles? Because your schools are far away from your house, right? So that may be in case of kilometers. Okay. Now next is meters. Okay. So why do we use meters? We use meters when we have to like measure the distance which is larger, but in comparison to kilometers it is small. Okay. So can you give me some examples? Anybody?
This is a pen with pencil.
Sorry, this is a pen.
Shirt.
Shirt. Yes, shirt. Okay. Then
Bedsheet.
bed sheet. Very good, Shrutadi. Then next, Dakshashri, can you?
Coats.
Okay, where are others? I cannot get this their responses. Harsh,
Clothes.
clothes. Very good. Okay, where are others? Anybody?
Pillow cover.
Pillow covers. Okay. All the answer. Yeah, Khidmat say.
Ma'am, curtains.
Okay, curtains. Very good. Then who are the other people here in the meeting who did not answer? Okay, Harsh, why did not you reply? Harsh?
Third, ma'am. Ma'am, third.
Sorry?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
scale.
door. Yes. Okay. So, these are the things that we measure using what? Meters. Okay. Now, next is,
Ma'am,
okay,
I don't know.
who?
Hi.
I. Who said that?
Daksha.
Ma'am, me,
Daksha.
Daksha.
Okay. What is the thing that you don't know, Dakshashri?
Meter.
Meter. You don't know meter, right? Okay, no worries. So meter is something that we use for longer distances that are long indeed, but in comparison to the kilometers, they are less. Okay, so suppose if I have to measure the distance from my house to somebody else's house who lives two to three houses away from my home. So how will I measure the distance? I will measure it in meters. Okay, or when I go to a tailor and I have to tell them that please stitch a cloth for me. So what will I do? I will tell them that use 5 meter of clothes. Why? Because that is how much will be needed for stitching clothes for me. Okay, so that is where we use meters. Okay, everyone, now we have a quick exercise. So the first question is, can you help me know that how can we, in what unit can we measure a tree? You have three options.
Meter.
Okay, wait. Okay, I'll give chance to the one who raises the hand first. Okay. So for the first question, who will do that? Yeah,
Ma'am, me.
Nadi, do that. Yes. Tell me the answer.
Meter.
Meter. Uh, yes, it will be meter. Very good. Now, Bhargavi. Yes. Bhargavi, tell me for the second one, how will you measure the length of a book?
Centimeter.
Wait, Bhargavi, are you able to hear me?
Centimeter.
Okay. Yeah, Jasmita. Okay, yeah, it will be centimeter. Very good. Now, next is length of a bus.
Centimeter.
Yes.
Meter.
Bhargavi. Wait, everyone wait. Bhargavi, are you saying something?
Meter. Meter.
Okay, yeah. Everyone, yes. Who is answering meter? Yes, you all are right. It will be meters only. Now, next is distance from Delhi to Mumbai.
Ma'am.
Kilometer.
Kilometer.
Yes, very good.
Kilometer.
Very good, everyone. Yes, it will be in kilometers.
Kilometer.
Yes, very good. Now, again, I have two questions to ask. The first one is, can you guys estimate a length from one place to another? Like, what will be the unit that we'll use? Centimeter, kilometer.
Kilometer.
Yes, very good, everyone. Now, next is the length of the tree. Will it be in centimeters or in meters?
Meter.
Tell me. Yes.
Meters.
Meters. Yes, very good. It will be in meters. Now,
Meter.
okay. Okay, guys, do you know how to do addition and subtraction?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All of you know that? Now, can you tell me the sum and difference of these two, the length of these two ropes?
Someone different. Tell the sum first.
Okay, let us talk about the sum
Ma'am, this is
first.
28.
Yeah.
18 plus
Sorry.
12.
Yeah, who is answering?
20.
Wait, everyone wait. Yeah, whoever raises the hand first, wait, whoever raises the hand first will get a chance, okay?
28.
Okay, 28. Yes, Dakshashri, do you agree? Okay. Now, is it just 28 or it should be 28 centimeter?
28 centimeter.
Yes. You cannot, yes, everyone, you cannot let go of centimeter. Why? Because it is not simple addition and subtraction. We are talking about measurement here, right? And therefore, it is necessary for us to write the unit also. Now, if I talk about difference, tell me, everyone.
18
8 centimeters.
Sorry.
8 centimeters.
Yes, everyone, it will be 8
Eight.
centimeter. Very good. Okay, now we have a few more questions here. So, okay. So, can you guys solve it and tell me the answer quickly? Quickly.
Rina had
The-
a ribbon. She
21 centimeters. 28 centimeters. 28
Okay.
centimeters.
Okay. So,
Ma'am,
very good.
7 centimeters.
Yeah, everyone who is able to solve, very good. Cheers to you. But for those who don't understand the question, I will
Ma'am, I
explain.
don't know.
Okay, no worries. I am explaining. Wait. See, this is a thread I have. Okay, I have a ribbon. Okay. Now I will be let's
28
divide.
centimeters.
Yeah,
28 centimeters.
yes, Yasmita,
28
Saransh.
centimeters.
Beta, I got it. Let me explain, please. Okay, so see, I have a ribbon. Now I will be distributing it in 7 different parts. So 1, 2, 3, now it is 4, then 5 and 7 finally. Okay, so this has been divided into 7 different parts. Now this is what, this is 4 centimeter, and like each part is 4 centimeter, right? So now what you have to do is you have to find
28.
the sum of all of these. So either you can say 7 into 4, or you can add 4, like 4 at total of 7 times. Okay. So it will be 28. Very good. Okay. Bravo to the ones who have solved the question. Okay. Now next is, two water pipes are of lengths this and this. What is the final length, right?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, what we will be doing here, can you tell me?
Addition.
Addition.
Yes, we will be doing addition. Very good.
Addition.
Yes, Tanu.
37 into
37 meters.
37 meters.
Okay. Yes,
We
everyone.
have to do addition.
Yes, we have to do the addition. So if we do the addition, the answer here will be 37, right? Why?
Yes.
Because if I add 8 plus 2, this will become 10. Then I'll take 1 as carry here. So this will now become 5 plus 4, 9. Then plus 1 is equal to 10. Now again 1 will be carried here. So this becomes 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Plus 1 is equal to what? 17, right? So 7 will be taken here. And finally 1 will be carried here. So this becomes 37, right? So 37 meter and 0 centimeter. So our answer will be option C. Okay. Now next is, okay, guys, read this question, solve it at your end, and then tell me the answer.
Add optional.
Focus.
How many?
Are you guys able to do that? Yes.
Ma'am, 6.5.
6.5. Okay.
Yeah.
Then
14 centimeter.
yes, Saransh, very good.
40.
Yes, very good. The right answer will be 14 centimeter. Why? Because see, uh, if I see the starting point of Q, what is it? Starting point is
4.
4, right? And
Two.
ending point
11.
11.
11, right? So 11 minus 4 will be 7, right? So this
7.
is for what? This is the length of Q. Now the length of P is 2 times of Q, right? So the length of P will be 2 into 7. That is 14. Okay, everyone? Got it?
Yes.
Any doubts?
Yes. No.
Okay.
No.
Good. Good, everyone. Very good. Now, yeah, try to solve this question fastly.
Shortest to longest. Shortest to longest arrange it. You can just say.
Okay, everyone, to solve this question, what we have to do is, first of all, we have to see the individual length of each and every one, right?
Why, yeah.
W.
Yeah.
D. Y. X.
D.
చెప్పు
Yes,
answer ఇది.
Shrutati, very good. Yes.
D.
Okay, D. Okay. So now can you guys tell me the individual length of each and every crayon? For W, what will it be?
X. X.
No, for W, it will be 2. It has
Five.
2 paper clips, right?
Five.
Yeah. For X, it will be
Next is
5. Now,
five.
yes. Now, if I count the total number of paper clips for Y, it will be
3.
yes. And for Z,
4.
yes. Now, if I arrange that in ascending order, the final answer will be option D, right?
Yes.
W, Y, then Z and X, right? Okay, everyone, now we have a last question, and now I will not be helping you all for this question. You have to do it by yourself, and whoever will do it first, we will all be clapping for him or her, okay? Do it fast. Yes, I am waiting for the answers, everybody. Okay, yes, Khidmat has got the answer. Yes.
Ma'am, 526.
Yes, very good, very good.
526 meter.
Okay, Khidmat, can you please explain what we did here?
Ma'am, we have to plus 228 plus 298. Then we
Okay,
have to plus 382.
382, why?
Ma'am,
It is being asked
ma'am,
that
we have to just do
equal to par.
228 and 298.
Yes. Okay, because we are being asked about only 2 places. First is from school to park and then park to home. So we have to add 2 different distances only. Okay. Now, everyone, this is the end. This is the end for today's session. So now we will be having a quiz. So this was my time. Okay. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your interaction with me, and I am very much impressed by all of your potentials. So can we just clap for ourselves? Can we?
Yes.
Okay, show me, how do you clap? How will you appreciate yourselves, everyone? Right? Okay. So